Okay, here we are, part two. Back on this Dodge, trying to get these shocks on here, man. No time, but we got it going again. So, I think I'm gonna put something to cover this mess up I got down here. I think I'm gonna use this cardboard. Bam. So the next part we need to do is this shelf, according to the manual. This is a Hames or a Chilton manual. Somewhere around here, let's see. I think this is a Hames. So we're dealing with the shelf now. Give me something in here. We talked about the seats. Also the screw removal. Partial self, upper deck panel. We have to get to that next. And it looks like the side panel. So here it is, right in here. Plastic fasteners here. 2 on the arrow. Pop those off. Oh, here we go. Yep. Should be a connector here for the third light. So let's get to that real quick. Pop those suckers off. They said it's 2 fasteners, but I see looks like a third one. Yeah, there's one more right there. I think they do make a tool to get this off, but I'm using these. I gotta use these in a screwdriver. Right? Pop these suckers off here. Pull them out. Wing nuts. Like 2. It looks like to get this panel off here, this roof panel, our back high shelf, I'm gonna need to take off these side panels out. First thing we're gonna do is start removing these rubber. Here we go. Pry this away. You can always put this back on. Easy. Yep. If you want to put adhesive on it when you put it back on, it's up to you, but just pop those out of the way like that. And this should just pop off. Let's see what we got holding this. And yeah, see clips. I'll show you some clips. Yeah, there's clips in there. Let's see if I can get a light to show you. Right in there. There's some clips, as you can see. We're just gonna pop those out. I think we'll just pull this off too. Probably has the same clips, see? Just pop it out of there. Like a jigsaw puzzle. Because filming it actually makes it longer. Makes it a longer job than a hard job. As probably most of you guys know. So there it is. She's free to go. Yeah, I like the way they made these panels, man. Just pop them in and pop them out, and hardly no screws. Pop these off too now. Like that. Push this down a little bit. So this thing looks like it's held on by clips. There's a clip there and a clip there. Yeah, and the clips look like they're facing the backward fashion. So all we should need to do is pull this thing forward, and those clips should come out. Cool. Here, 3 upper strut to body nuts are accessible from the inside of the vehicle. Right after the rear seat back quarter panel trim, partial self and speaker mounting plates have been removed. So looks like we have to remove the speaker. See what we can do here. So let's get her jacked up so we can start in the rear.